I've just found out how to be an interesting person. So if you're worried about being boring socially, listen up. Like, I always talk about the importance of being interested rather than interesting. That's what I talk about a lot in my videos. But the fact is, it's not enough, right, to just ask questions and be interested in a person, because you have to be participating in the conversation as well, right? You have to share your own thoughts. And I just stumbled upon this piece of content from the School of Life. If you don't know the School of Life, look it up. They make great content. They write really interesting books, philosophy / psychology, whatever. And I'm going to read it for you here. Everyone is interesting. So-called interesting people are simply those who've allowed themselves to listen in on and share with others a selection of what is really going through their minds. So you don't need to be well-traveled, well-read, or any of those things. Are those things going to help? Yeah, probably. But you don't need any of that, because everyone has a unique mind, unique experiences and thoughts. And so it's all about sharing that in a way that's open and honest and vulnerable. So share your thoughts. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts. And I think that's also a big part of what's behind being awkward or feeling awkward socially, because you don't have the courage to fully be yourself and to express yourself. You're like, oh, what if I say something wrong, and what if it's stupid or whatever? And so that's the solution. Just share what's on your mind. And it's as simple as that. I'll read it again once more. Everyone is interesting. So-called interesting people are simply those who've allowed themselves to listen in on and share with others a selection of what is really going through their minds. What do you think? I want to know.